Corporate Gift Show! Hey, welcome back to yet another episode of the Corporate Gift Show, where we share a new, innovative, interesting corporate gifting idea every single day. I'm Srikanth Acharya, CEO at OffiNeeds.com, and today I'm going to show you a product that makes for a phenomenal new Joinee gift set for any new employees joining your organization. So let's see what's in it. Now, what makes this gift set unique is that this box is readily in stock with us, and it's blank, so you can customize your logo, put a message just the way you like it. And once you open it, there is a pocket here where you can keep a letter or keep a welcome letter or just about anything that you want to make the new Joinee feel special. It comes with a notebook here which has a tinge of red. Now, this particular gift set has been done so that it has a tinge of red on everything. So there's a notebook. There's a pen which is red and black. There's a water bottle that is red and black. And when you dig into the second floor of this box, there is this mug which is made out of recycled material, and it is 100% biodegradable. And there is a t-shirt, a collared t-shirt which comes as a part of this kit, and a pop socket for your phone. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in a ready box. Now, what makes this unique is that you can of course customize everything. You can have the logo on every single product, you can have a welcome letter on the box, and you can have your logo on the box as well. And it's a fantastic box. You can just put it in a courier envelope and courier it to wherever your new Joinee is joining the organization from. But what makes this really interesting is that we have these boxes and these products ready in stock, so it can be produced for very, very small quantities. You don't need to be hiring in massive numbers to be able to offer new Joinee kits to your employees now. Even if you have just one employee joining this week, you can order one gift set. How's that to make your employees feel special? I hope you liked today's episode. Please like, share, and comment below and let us know what you think about it. Please visit www.thecorporategiftshow.com and follow OffiNeeds on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and YouTube for a new, interesting corporate gifting idea every single day. See you in tomorrow's episode.